Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show how to enter your Docker container console, terminal console, right? So there is a simple command to enter in your Docker console. Right now I have one NGINX container running, Humpert running, you can see. Right now I do some changes in my website, so I like to enter my container Docker. Let's clean the screen. Docker exe it interactive terminal and the name of the container /bin/bash. This is a command is enough to enter your console. There is another way to enter the console in the root directory, root user. I will show in the next one. So this is the basic to enter the Docker container. Just enter. You can see we entered into the Docker container. Let's change something. If your container is fresh, you have to first update your container and install the nano editor. nano/user share NGINX HTML index. I'm going to change container Docker container NGINX website. Save and exit. Let's refresh. See, the content of the file is refreshed. There is another way to enter the Docker container. If you get any difficulties, just here you have to use a root. This is in this some Docker the images have some they not set the root password. So this is the command to enter into the root. Just hit enter. You don't feel any error if you install the Jenkins from the Docker Hub from the official Jenkins image and run that container. You will get a error message. You can't enter to the root. So by using this line, you can enter to the root account. This is a simple video to enter the Docker container console. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.